Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala, I'm SEBI certified research analyst. I'm welcome you all to my YouTube channel Talent Traders. Kindly make subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. And those who are already subscribed my channel, I was thankful to you all. Because of you only this was possible. And thanks for your support. And this video, I'm going to show you the Bank Nifty option trading strategies. So as per my trade strategy, we have did some trades on 21st of this month. So now I'm going to explain how it became the profitable trade and what are uh, uh, the trade details where we have done on the Bank Nifty. So we did the advanced strategy, which is hedging strategy. Okay, so we normally did so using best simple super trend. So I'm going to apply my trade strategy, how it became a profitable while I'm doing the trade. Okay, this is the day first where the contract was started about 28th expiry, that is today's expiry contract, where it given a already in buy signal, so that I am going to take a buy trade. So how I am going to do the buy trade, where I got a buy entry around 18,034. This is what where I got a trend. So I think that the trend is bullish about Bank Nifty. So here I'm going to buy options. So instead of buying the naked options, I'm going to create a hedging kind of positions, whether it will giving me a profit both the directions. So here I'm going to take 18,034, where I'm going to take a 18,000 call option with the three quantities, and the same time to protect myself from in case of negative movement, I'm going to buy a two lot of put options with the hedging trade. And after some time later, so again the same day, it's generate you the sell signal around 17,800. Okay, so here already I did my position as a hedge, okay, in a call side, and again I'm going to take a new position in a put side with the 17,800 put options with the 3 quantity and call option with the 2 quantity. How became the trade which gives me a profitable? Okay, so this is the trade where I'm going to take so where Bank Nifty comes around 17,200 on the same day, that is next day. Okay, 17,200 on 22nd. How the profitable? So here you see that this is the position with the call option 3 quantity and put options 2 quantity, and the day where the Bank Nifty comes around 17,254, where I'm taking the bullish move. So that will generate me a almost 2,800 rupees profit with the investment of 40,000. Okay, but you have to understand, this is the trade where I'm taking for a bullish purpose. So I'm taking the bullish view, but market is totally bearish view. And the trade where I'm taken for a directly bullish view, so that is simply giving me a profit, because my trend is right. I'm going to get a profit in the direction where I'm taken a right direction. So this trade 17,800 put, if I take, so this is the trade details where it generated me more than 25k both the sides with the investment of almost 90,000. So it generated me more than 18 20 plus thousand at the time of the taking the screenshot where I'm showing. So that particular time Bank Nifty was trading and 17,136. Here this position which I've taken for a bullish purpose, and this position I'm taking for a bearish purpose. So bearish it's happened, so I'm going to get a 14 plus profit, and bullish trade I'm not losing any money. So even though I'm going to get a profit. So now after this is what a break even. So we know how much point whether stock will move or index will move. So we calculated prior to entry in the position. So that is very important. If the Bank Nifty range is around 500 point, if you are going to buy a 600 rupees option premium, so it is not a good for a long options. Okay, so where you can go for a short selling options, so that should be the better strategy. So the put options were directly giving me a profit. And now we analyze the chart. You see that this is the entry point where we are taken the trade opportunity. Let's show you. So here the entry point which are around 18,034. Okay, so we bought 18,000 call option with the 3 quantity, and the same time we are taking 18,000 put option with the 2 quantity. So we did the bullish trade on the particular time, bullish. And again where we get a change in the market, So we are going to do the 17800 put options and 3 quantity, and 17800 call option 2 quantity. So both the trades where we are protected. So here we did bearish on the thing. And before entering into the trade, so we have to understand how much the point where the bank nifty will move. So once the premium is lesser than the your expected move, then only the strategy is suitable. Understand, whenever you know the range of the market, then the range is less than your premium paid, it's not good, and the range is higher than the your premium paid, then the strategy is suitable. So people are asking a lot of questions about this strategy, and someone are telling it's not good strategy. This is the strategy where we know the trading range about the stock. Once we know the trading range, so then only the strategy should be perfect and best. So before you know that, so we are teaching on that on our paid lessons, but I am not disclosing that particular thing on this video. Okay, once you understood the logic why we are taking this trade, okay, so here those who are my student already attend my class, they know very well how we can manage this trade. Okay, after that what happened? So again new bullish signal and new bearish signal and again bullish signal. So what I'm ignoring because of I have already bullish, and this is also I'm ignoring, I'm already having a bearish. This is also I'm ignoring because I have already bullish. So here the market was started around 18,000 rupees. From there it comes to 17,100, and now it is moving 19,400 level. So here we calculated there will be a 1400 point movement in a bank nifty. Last week I said on the video 1400 point, either it is a downside or it is a upside. So if you find, let me show you that how much point it can move. We expected there will be a 1400 point movement in a bank nifty, that I have already told you on this video. So we calculated based on the historical and implied volatility. So 1400 point movement any side, so my positions is going to make profits. So that is the important point. Here you see that I'm telling you there will be a movement is either 1400 point bank nifty will move, either the direction. It is an, I'm not telling about the direction where it goes up, I'm telling you the direction where it either the upside or downside where it can move. So 1400 point movement, so I'm expecting. So now today what happened, the 1400 point movement happened in a higher side. Okay, here from 18,000, this is the closing 18,034. From 18,034 initially it comes down to 17,100, almost 900 points down, but finally 1400 point movement in upside. I am talking about the closing price, so that is the opening price of the 21st May. Okay, so 1400 point movement, I am expecting that movement of expected movement is happen, my position is going to make in profit. So that I am telling you right now. Initially my position, this is the position where I am going to take for a, I tell you the same position where I shown you, this is the position which I am taken for a bearish case. Okay, I'm going to take the study as a bearish. So how I'm taken the bearish, the initial trade, the second trade which I'm taken, this trade initially generate me a near about 20k profit, and again now it is me in the profit of 11k. When the market is comes to 17,100, I'm getting 20k profit. When the market is 19,200, I'm in 11k profit. So but this trade which I'm taken for a bearish view. So but due to my hedging position, when the market goes bearish, I'm going to get huge profit immediately. When the market is negative, that means it is going against me, that is a bullish. So that is also I'm going to make money here. You see that here my position where I taken a put option, it was a loss about 28,000, but where I am taken the call option with the protection myself, it gives me a 40,000. Netted profit is around 11,000 rupees. It is 25% of my investment, even the trade where I am going to take as a negative. So here I am expecting 1400 point movement, so that 1400 point movements happen. So my break even in the upper side is 18,000 and lower side is 17,000. So near about my break even come, and within 2 days, that time the position is generating 20,000 profit. Now my position is moving more than my break even point. So here that position which is in profit, even though the wrong in direction. Okay, this is one of the scenario where I am going to make profit with the wrong direction, and the right direction how I am going to get a profit. So the trade where I get initially I did with bullish as well as bearish these particular two signals. So remaining signals which I ignored it because I'm not going to add more positions. So this is the position which I'm going to take for a bullish purpose, where my bullish expected thing is happened with the investment of 45,000. I'm going to get 54% of return. So there I totally is the position with the investment of 90,000, where I'm going to get 30 plus k profit. It is more than 35 to 40% return of my investment within a 1 week. Okay, so that you have to understand. Here also we expected there will be a movement up to 18,758 is my break even point in a higher side. So over my break even point market moves, so this is my profit where I'm going to get it out. When even though market is going down also, so there will be chances to make profit in either the direction. But the important and most thing you have to understand whether this trade strategy which will give you the profit whenever you know the range of the stock or index. Range is very important. So the range is greater than your buying value, so then only the strategy is suitable, and the range is lesser than your buy value, the strategy which is good for sell only. So that once you understood this concept, then the strategy we can apply in the market. So people doesn't know that while we are buying options and selling options, so where we are going to buy and where we are going to sell the options, that is very important. And anyone who want to learn my paid session, we are teaching you detailed hedging strategies you can learn, and you can also start with the good to do with option hedging strategies. So this is the kind of trade strategy, and meanwhile the same strategy which gives the maximum profit. So I was taken a screenshot in today's morning, and around 10:30 the position were generating you more profit about 45,000, where you are taking the buy position which is generating you more than 30,000, and the sell position is generating you 15,000. It is a maximum profit where it generated one particular time here 33,000 at around some time. It generated initially, and after that it's showing you 45,000, and finally end of the day they both the position were generating you the profit up to 36,000. So investment of near about 90,000, so it generated you 36,000. What I'm sharing you, so when you know the range about the stock or index, the bank nifty will have hedging strategy by weekly options that always giving you profit. So once we are not satisfied that range is not suitable to buy, so that time we are going to short straddle like kind of strategies we are going to apply. So that is very important thing you have to understand from this kind of strategies. I hope this may be a useful session to you all. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you very much, and kindly make subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategy. Thank you for being with me, and kindly make subscribe and share to your friends and comment on this video. Thank you so much for this good opportunity.